morning, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So this morning, I am going to try an experiment. You know I like my experiments in eating. So I have some of the It's Skinny Konjac pasta. This particular one is spaghetti. I am going to try lining these little containers with it and putting it in the air fryer to see if I can dry it out and get it to hold its shape like a little bird's nest. And then I have some duck eggs that I'm going to poach on the stove in the little poaching pot, and hopefully be able to do like these cute little bird's nests. Maybe. I have no idea whether the pasta will stick together. We'll see. And then I was going to have some chicken sausages, but I realized that they were completely frozen, and I just don't want to mess around with that this morning. So I'm going to have 2 turkey sausage sticks instead. And then I have some 2% cottage cheese, vine tomatoes. In here I have some red onion, some cucumber, a bit of an avocado, and I'm just going to do like a little veggie medley, I guess. I'm thinking just probably tomato and cucumber to have with the cream cheese. Oh, and I'll use the rest of the avocado. Yeah. And that will be our breakfast experiment. All right, time for some lunch. So I have planned dinner, and I knew what I had left to work with. And I'm going to do a salad with some tuna, and that will put me right on target for the day. So when I was at Kroger last, they had some Taylor Farms Salsa Ranch chopped kit. To that, I'm going to add some crumbled feta cheese, bacon bits, some black olives, some chow mein crispy noodles, and a packet of lemon pepper tuna. And then dinner is actually just going to be a repeat of last night. It was really, really good. And I have some of that Asian slaw left. I've thawed out a piece of salmon. So I have that all tracked and planned as well. Hey guys. So this is a combination with yesterday's video because I got to the end of the day yesterday and felt really bad. But we are, we're going to try again. What else can I do? So today, before I do anything else, I am going to work a little bit on the color chip project. I did prime a whole bunch of these bases yesterday. They've dried overnight. And so I'm just going to do a little bit of the black work on them to get started. I have in total probably 200 that I need to do, which will cover, well, it'll cover, 200 will cover what I have, but I do have a new paint range coming in, which if you've seen me talk about the speed paints and how that's allowed me to get back into miniature painting, etc. The new range for that comes out the end of this month, and there are 89 colors in that. So I've got like 200 to do now, and then there's another 90 coming. So I gotta get on the ball. But I'm gonna work on this for a little bit, and then I think I'm going to have for lunch today what I had planned for dinner last night and didn't have, and we'll see where the day goes. All right, it has gotten late and I need to eat something. So I had taken out a piece of that barbecued salmon to thaw, so I'm going to cook that. That is 7 minutes from thawed in the air fryer on 400. And then this is that same 90-second rice I had the other night. It's quite nice. I have part of the Asian slaw mix that I made up, and the chow mein noodles and the dressing. I have accounted for mandarins in it, but I actually ate the rest of the mandarins on their own, so I don't have another can there. So I'm going to do it without the mandarins. And then in here I have a bit of zucchini, some yellow squash, some red onion, some tomato, that's a bit of English cucumber, and I'm just going to steam up the squash and zucchini and then add raw tomato and onion. Just have a little veggie side there, and that will be dinner.